Hey everybody, Lance Finucci here with MarineMax Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're looking at the Boston Whaler Outrage 280. This 28-foot fishing machine is 9 feet 4 inches across, has 186 gallon fuel capacity, and is powered by 2 Mercury Verado 350 engines. Let's climb aboard. We'll take a look at some of the features of this great boat. Starting up at the bow, you can see the great seating up front, as well as the giant chase lounge in front of the helm. What you can't see is under that chase, like everything with Boston Whaler, there is more storage than you know what to do with. The helm itself, like all Boston Whalers, is accentuated with that beautiful stainless steel steering wheel. You also have the throttles right where you need them. You have the Mercury onboard computer for the engines and a Fusion stereo system. This boat also comes with trim tabs, and they are electronically controlled right at your fingertips. The helm seats are fully bolstered, so you can lift them up for a perfect leaning position while you're driving, or if you want to sit back and relax, you can do that as well. The armrests also come down so that you have more room and more comfort like you would expect in a great Boston Whaler. Moving towards the back of the boat, you can see the great deck area for fishing and casting. Also, as you can tell, under each one of these floor compartments, there's even more storage on this Boston Whaler. Right behind the helm seats, you have the freshwater sink and the live well. We also have room for a cooler back there. And just a beautiful view of all the rocket launchers and the hardtop on this boat. Last thing I'd like to point out is the jump seat right at the back of the Whaler. So when you're not fishing and you need some more comfort back there, you have it. As I said, this is a Whaler. These are the Mercury engines, and this is the legend that has become Boston Whaler for the last 60 years. I'm Lance Finucci. This is MarineMax Gulf Shores, Alabama, and stop on by and take a look at our boats.